Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to convert text to shape in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to New File to create a new document. I will choose this template and keep this setting and create a new document. I press Ctrl 0 to remove it. And then we can go to left toolbar. We can find horizontal type tool and other type tool. In this tutorial, I will use horizontal type tool and then click on Artboard. Next, we can type, for example, I type text to shape. And then I will use move tool to move text layer, and then we can find the transform tool. We can click the corner to enlarge it. I want to make it obvious, so I make it bigger, and then press enter to apply it. Next, we can go to Layers window. If you don't find Layers window, we can go to Window and Show Layers here. I go back to Layers window, and then we can find the text layer. Next, we can right-click, and then we can find Convert to Shape. Okay, so the text is converted to shape. Actually, this is also a path. If we go to Window and Show Paths, and we can find path here. We can duplicate one more path and make the shape invisible, so we got the path here. So this is how we can convert text to shape in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.